Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In this episode we're going to be covering the Nissan ProPILOT Level 2 autonomous driving system. Our featured vehicle for the testing is our Nissan Xtrail Tekna E-Power, but worry not, this advanced feature is actually standard from the 2024 Qashqai N connector spec upwards, so that's the middle of the range, now gets that ProPILOT system built in as standard. It's a fantastic feature. We will cover the main features of the ProPILOT system, including adaptive cruise control, the lane centering and the stop and go functionality, which make highway driving much more convenient and a lot less stressful. Let's get started. Now let's take a look at the various different modes available within the ProPILOT system. First up is our intelligent traffic jam assist, which activates at speeds below 45 miles an hour. This mode is designed specifically for congestion conditions, so it maintains a set distance from the vehicle ahead, and it even has stop and go functionality built in. If you're stuck in heavy traffic, this system can bring the vehicle to a complete stop and it will hold it in place. After a short pause, it will automatically continue to follow the flow of the traffic. However, if you stop for a bit longer than that, then a gentle touch on the accelerator pedal or a simple button press of the cruise control will re-engage the system, making those slow moving traffic jams a lot more manageable, and you'll see that in this clip coming up very soon. I know the speed limit on the road is 30 miles an hour. All I do is press the accept button to restart the cruise control. As soon as I get a gap big enough, the car will just follow the car ahead, and I'm just controlling the steering, so I can relax my feet. Here is a good indicator to show you what happens. So these guys are going to try and pull into our lane. We're all merging together, so thankfully the guy on my right has let us merge, so I've not had to press the brakes again. Just let the car do its thing. The cars have been merged in front of me. So you can see the car's kind of detected that this is a wide enough road to assist me with the steering, but I am going to keep my hands near the steering here. Also a little green indicator there to say that it's detected a roundabout, so I'm checking that it's clear. It's clear on the roundabout, so I'm just letting the car do its thing. Again, I'm not on the pedals whatsoever here, just letting the car drive and do its thing. It's going to get up to speed again once it detects there's a gap big enough, so nice and slowly, that's perfectly fine. We're coming up to another roundabout, it's detected. Now there is a car coming this side, so I am going to brake and stop the car. And then we're going to get going again, clear the roundabout, and then activate the cruise control system again. So we're just going to overtake here. Then it detects on the roundabout there is a car there, so I am going to brake. There's another car coming up behind him and another one behind him, but we'll just go for this and we're clear. The second mode of ProPILOT system, which activates above 45 miles an hour, is truly where it shines. This mode does an excellent job of keeping you centered in your lane and is especially effective on wider roads or multi-lane highways such as motorways. It is a real game changer for those long drives and is particularly handy when navigating through the motorways. In this mode, ProPILOT not only maintains a position within the lane, but also handles steering and adaptive cruise control, managing your speed and maintaining a safe distance from the car in front. Later in the video I'll show you a short clip where I let the car take over during some heavy traffic, and you can see how well it controls both the steering and the distance even at crawl speeds. It's a real sanity saver for those tedious motorway journeys. So you may notice in this clip that I'm manually decreasing the speed using the cruise control lever. This was actually my mistake. If I had set the car's built-in sat-nav and marked this as my exit, the vehicle would have automatically adjusted its speed and slowed down for the exit. Now, this is another great feature of the ProPILOT system, as it integrates very well with the sat-nav to anticipate and manage speed based on upcoming junctions or exits, making for an even smoother driving experience. Here you go guys, in this clip you'll see how ProPILOT's traffic assist integrates seamlessly with its lane centering and its adaptive cruise control. You can see me just sitting back and letting the system take over. Now imagine using this on your daily commute, knowing you're going to be stuck in routine, mundane traffic. Now picture how much more refreshed you'll feel getting out of the car after it's handled all of that stress for you. It's a game changer for those long, congested drives. And then to finish the video off, we will be showing you a clip of the ProPILOT Park system, which is included with vehicles that feature the 360-degree camera system and our ProPILOT system. This fantastic feature is so easy to use. You'll see in the clip here, we press the dedicated park button, and then once the system finds a gap, we press the start. The car then indicates and maneuvers into place, cancelling the turn indicator and turning on the handbrake once everything's done. Hey guys, so we're just going to demonstrate the ProPILOT parking on the Xtrail. We just pulled up in a car park. There's nobody behind us. We're completely clear. All we are going to do is press the park button just here, and that brings up our cameras, and then it's asking us to stop next to a parking space. So we're just going to roll forward, and the car will find a space for us. It's found one, so we press the brakes in, press the start button, car indicates. If I look off the brake now, hands free, off the brake. We're just keeping an eye on our surroundings. So I think it's great that the Nissan system doesn't require you to do anything else other than press the park button and start. It will do all of the maneuvering, the indicating, and as you can see, it's kind of perfectly parked within the bay. Probably straighten out a little bit there, but it is at an angle behind us. So yeah, that's a good parking. Handbrake is on, so I'm just going to open up the door and we can have a look around. So yeah, we're parked nicely in the bay. Yep, and all the way around.
Drive straight on.
Now, I intentionally left this part in, guys. Watch as we receive a phone call while we're merging on the motorway and how it pops up on the heads-up display. It tells me exactly who's calling. The placement of the name is perfect, as I still get a very clear view ahead of me, and I also managed to keep my turn-by-turn navigation on the display. I then quickly press the accept button, which is fixed on the steering wheel where my hand is naturally, and I carry on safely merging. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video on the ProPILOT system and the ProPILOT Park. In summary, the ProPILOT system is designed to make you, the driver of the vehicle, the star of the show. It's a true level 2 driving assistance program, always working with the driver rather than taking complete control. The system delivers on its promise by providing exceptional support, whether you're in heavy traffic or on the open motorways. It is really impressive with its impressive stop and go capabilities that almost feels like you're pressing pause or play whilst you're in traffic. If this is your first experience with such a system, I'm sure you will be extremely pleased with it. Now, to discover features like the ProPILOT system and many others, please do visit us at Brayley Nissan Birmingham, 127 Chester Road, Birmingham, B74 2HE. The address will be up here now. And don't forget to like this video if you've liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.